Hello again, this is our week 7 video for Gentleman Turtle's Lambda 4 video game Cuddle for senior project. So here we have Unity open, and pretty much what we have added, or a couple major things that we have added that you can't see right now, is an idle script for our enemies. Before that, they were just literally floating around in space waiting for you to either come close to them so they can either run away from you or, try to eat you. And a couple things have changed as well. Here, Kelsey basically just did some texture testing on the rocks and sand and everything like that, so it looks more like an ocean floor. And she also changed the model of the rock, which, granted worked a lot better than, say, the giant sphere that I put in. So that basically just helps things out a lot. So I'm going to run the game right now. And as you can see right now, the enemies, or the NPCs, are basically floating towards the very center of the screen. And from there, they basically float around in a virtual box that they just choose a random location inside that area, or that zone, as Chris calls them. And they just pick a certain part within that zone and go towards it. If they reach that target spot, or if it takes them too long, say more than 15 seconds to reach that spot, they choose a new target and go towards that target. So sharks still chase you because Chris has implemented a master class, the AI manager class, which basically takes care of all the AI scripts and everything like that. So every single one of these, go away right there, every single one of these NPCs has a chase script and a flee script, whether or not they're predator or prey, and basically what changes that is whether or not you are big enough. So here these sharks are coming towards me, and I'm just gonna keep going away. So I'm far away enough that they don't even bother, and they just go back to swimming in that spot. Alright, so I'm gonna grab some food if I don't get eaten. Oops, gonna eat that. And finally that one. Oops, missed it. Alright, so one bug we've encountered is that they still will chase after you even though they really shouldn't be. So you just go back out, and now they chase after you. So we will polish that during the next couple of courses and hopefully get that fleshed out so that they run away from you at all times, no matter how close they are towards you. And I died, unfortunately, because I ran out of health. Sorry about that. Let me start over. Well, I don't really need to do everything else because everything else just works. Can't run into the boulder again because it is still too heavy. And another major thing is now a pause screen. One of the things we've decided is that this game really isn't too fun, without finding some way to actually pause the game. So here it's simply just set time scale to 0 and display the or disable the mouse script. So you resume game, go along with that, pause, nothing happens, resume game. So that was fairly easy to implement. So that's pretty much it for now. Thanks for watching.